refrigerator's back panel will give you access to the water valve. If you are unsure which component has failed, ice maker or water valve, refer to our water valve diagnostics video. This valve is secured to the back with 2 screws. With the valve free, the water line will twist off and the 2 wires can be disconnected. Some water may be in the line. Having a small towel handy may be necessary.
For more video demonstrations, as well as step-by-step tutorials, please go to appliancerepairlesson.com. If you'd like to try one of our other support options, such as forum support or live chat with a technician, just go to appliancerepairlesson.com.